Right, hello and welcome back to Gotta Eat. Today on the breakfast edition, we are making overnight oats. Right, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a half a cup of rolled oats, 1 banana, a quarter cup of double thick Greek yogurt, you're gonna need half a cup of milk, some peanut butter, some honey, and a pinch of salt. Okay, so this is like for all those protein oats boots, right? You wanna start the day off right. Cool. Okay, so what you're gonna need to make your overnight rolled oats is grab yourself a jar, something ideally that you can just put in the fridge and leave and let go. Something quite fancy, nice to look at is always good for if you're trying to make a good impression, you know, someone stayed over, just kidding. So what you're gonna need to do is take your fork, mash your banana, mash it, mash the banana. Call this the banana smash. You know, like smashed avo, smashed banana. Smash it! This is like a yellow Hulk smash. You're gonna add your double thick Greek yogurt into the mix. You can smash your bananas as much as you please. I like it a little bit less smashed just because I like the texture of bananas in the morning. Right, let's take that again. So you can smash the bananas as much as you please. I like them to be a little bit less smashed because I like the actual chunky fruit in my oats. Give that a nice mix together. You can make this a couple of different ways. Today we're making it with peanut butter and honey. You can also make it with other different variants, different fruits like blueberries or raspberries, something sweet like a honey or a syrup, anything to your taste and your flavor. So we're gonna add in our peanut butter. This also depends on how much you like peanut butter. Today we're putting in just a tablespoon of peanut butter. Mix that into the mix. Mix that into the mix. Mix that into the mix. All right, second last thing is your honey. I don't know why I've always done that with honey, specifically with honey. It's come with that sound, that mix all of that in. This is very important. Where there is sweet, there must be salty. So as a flavor enhancer, just a cool little Salt Bay pinch of salt into the mix. Right, once you've got all of that done, you want to decant this into your jar that you're going to leave in the fridge overnight. Just dollop it all in there. And this is something really quick and easy that you can make the night before. Takes about 15 minutes, prep time, super duper easy. I don't know about you guys, but I don't really feel like making a whole crazy thing every single morning. I like a spoil on a Sunday, but you know, to really go through all that effort is a little bit of a time-consuming thing for me. Right, after that, you want to put in your rolled oats. If you don't have a funnel or something like that, I suggest you get a funnel. It's probably way easier, but we're going to use the hand funnel. Okay, for those of you at home, this is the hand funnel. Always make sure that you wash your hands, ladies and gentlemen, because if you don't, you are the only one to blame if you have something in your rolled oats that you did not want. Bam, bam. Okay, thank you very much. Hand funnel. Once that's all in there, you want to take your milk, pour it over the top. Depending on your tastes, you can use almond milk, you can use soy milk, you can use basically any milk that you please. Okay, so once you've gotten all your ingredients in your jar, you want to close it off. All your oats are going to soak up everything that's in here. You want to give it a nice little shake, you know, incorporate it quite well. I suggest using a jar because then you can give it the good old shake. It just makes it a lot easier because fitting a fork inside is a bit crazy. So you want to give it a good old shake, and it's going to soak up everything in the next couple of hours. You want to just pop this into the fridge, and tomorrow morning you guys have got yourself some overnight oats. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Let's get our oats. Okay, so they have been in the fridge for the entire night. It didn't have to do anything. You didn't have to cook it. You didn't have to heat it at all. You just added all your ingredients, leave it in overnight. What you can do is if you want to serve it up and you want to make a druzh, you can cut up some more bananas, put it on the side. You can add an extra drizzle of honey, but Ain't nobody got time but it. So we're just gonna eat it. Honestly, this is my favorite combination. Peanut butter, banana, and honey. It's amazing, super duper easy to make. You can make it at home. Everyone can make it. So thank you so much for joining us for breakfast on Gotta Eat. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, your rolled oats in the morning, and you're ready to start the day. Because everyone's gotta eat. Duh.